Oh hey, you're here. Well now, listen closely to what I have to say. Silver strings softly shimmer. Do you hear how the same sound begins again and again and again? Yeah, the S sound. When words start with the same sound, they create a pattern your ears cannot ignore. Your ears love patterns. Your mind remembers music. And when the sounds repeat at the start of words, language begins to dance. Here are the effects of alliteration, including creating rhythm, adding emphasis, helping to set the mood, and making phrases memorable. I love alliteration. Do you?